What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We about to make some bomb chili, y'all. Some bomb chili. And we gonna have it over a good baked potato. Oh my goodness. Ever since I started doing this, I can't stop. But anyway, let's get it. So yeah, let's go and get our ground beef in. The only thing we looking for here is to brown this ground beef a little bit. Now, this is 80-20 ground beef, y'all. 80-20. This is what you want to use for your chili. At least in my opinion. You know. And then once we get our ground beef in, we're going to go ahead and get our onions, our bell peppers, and one jalapeno in. Now we have one whole bell pepper, one whole jalapeno, and one onion. And we're going to give that a quick mixy mix. Now, some people like different peppers in their chili, but that's fine. Hey, everybody likes something different, child. Everybody likes something different. Now, I like that flavor of that jalapeno, and my wife, she loves it. Now, to this, we also gonna add us 1 tablespoon of garlic also. Now, you can use fresh garlic, but at the time, I didn't have any. So, I just used the mix in the jar, y'all. So to this, we gonna go ahead and add in our tomato paste. Now we adding in 2 cans because we have 4 pounds of ground beef. 4 pounds. Now if you do 1 or 2 pounds, I still would add a whole can of tomato paste. But 4 pounds, you gotta go ahead and add them 2 cans, y'all. Got to get that flavor right. And then we gonna give that a good mix. Oh yeah. And now it's time for that spice blend. Now this is chili powder, cayenne, onion, garlic, cumin, parsley, black pepper, sugar, and basil, y'all. Now let's go ahead and give that a quick mix. And as you can see, the ingredients amount is right here. And oh yeah, you use them, it's gonna be tasty, y'all. You know how I like tasty. Everything gotta be tasty. So now we need to add in 4 cups of water. Gonna give that a quick mix. And then we're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes, y'all. About 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes up, time to add them beans. Now, we're going to come in with some black beans. I like my black beans, y'all. And then we coming in with some light red kidney beans. Yeah, that a quick mix. And let them start getting them flavors incorporated into them beans. So we gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes, y'all. Now after 10 minutes pass, we gonna add in our corn. Now this corn is totally optional, because I know some people would say corn in chili, you tripping. But I like it in my chili, y'all. But anyway, after we do this, we just gonna mix it up and let it simmer for another 10, and we gonna be ready to eat, y'all. Now, like I said before, we having this chili right over a baked potato, y'all. Now, when I was in Wisconsin, I went on and picked up me some cheese curds, y'all. And these are cheddar cheese curds. Man, they were so tasty. I said I had to put them on this here. Now, for those out here that might not know how to make a baked potato, it's real simple, y'all. Just wrap a potato in aluminum foil, put a little olive oil on it, a little salt and pepper, throw it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Got you a nice baked potato, y'all. But anyway, let's get this chili on. And as you can see, that cheese and that chili is looking tasty. Now, that cheese curd to me, with that sharp cheddar, ooh, That cheddar flavor. If you like cheese and you know what I'm talking about with that cheddar flavor, that cheddar just has that nice bite of cheese, the right age, the right. I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, let's take a bite of this potato. Now I like my potato with the skin on. Look at that. Lost a soldier, y'all. But that's okay. But like I said, I like to bite a potato with the skin on. And yeah, y'all, this came out so good. Oh my goodness. That mozzarella cheese on the top. The creaminess of the cheese with that savoriness of that chili. Yeah. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.